Hey everybody, Christina here with Club La La Land Crafts, and I'm going to unveil this beautiful gold envelope for you because you know what comes in this gold envelope every month if you're a member. If you're not a member, you're going to see because it's pretty awesome. So this is for the club kit of April 2020, and it is so darn cute. We have, this month, we have Marci with pizza. We have Pizza My Heart with the little mice. We've got some die cuts here. We've got the paddle with a mitt. We've got a pizza, and this is so cute. The pieces come apart. I'm going to show you. And then we have the cheese block. You would not believe what the design team members have done with this cheese block. It's so cute. So I'm going to remind you guys right now, right here, if you're a member, you get exclusive tutorials from every single person on the team. So you don't want to miss out on those. You want to look at those. Plus, you want your little membership tutorial right here. Don't forget to click, put that link into your computer. You're missing out on a lot of cute stuff. So let's get this opened. So cute. I love it. Whoops. So every month you get this awesome card in the mail, and this is really great. It's a thank you for subscribing card, but it works so well with your stamps. Here, I'll do the little one first. So you just take the white paper off that's on the back, stick them on there. Voila! Doesn't come off. Awesome. Great way to store your stuff. So I'm going to take this off so I remember to show you that. First, I'm going to show you Marci. She's so cute. She has the thick red rubber, the thick cling foam, and like I said, you just peel the paper off to use her. But she's really cute. She comes with a little pizza. The sentiment is say cheese, and this one is any way you slice it. She's got a really pretty flowy dress. She's got some little shoes on, a couple pairs of socks. Or what I did is I made mine into like little high top Converse type shoes. So, but you can see it's deeply etched. Great, great quality. Then, and that's Marci with pizza. She's so cute. I love her. Then we have these adorable, adorable little mice. They're so cute. First, we've got the little chefy mouse with his little pizza paddle and his little pizza on there. Then we have another little mouse that's just like, oh, yummy pizza. And then we have this other little chefy mouse who is actually throwing the dough up into the air. The sentiments are, you had me, or you have a pizza, my heart. You're so cheesy. I love you more than pizza. And then this one is you had me at pizza. You can tell I've already used these. So these are the stamps. They are fantastic. These ones are just like the Marci with the thick red rubber, the thick cling foam. And you just peel that back. All nicely etched, stamp beautifully. So the stamps, if you want, now the whole thing, I'm going to show you the whole kit. But if you want just the stamps, it's $19.99 a month as a monthly subscription. They have a value of $24.99, just so you know. So I'm going to set these cuties aside, and I'm going to show you the die cuts. This is the cheese block. It's just all one piece, and it goes through really nice. It's got stitching on the circles. It's got some outlining marks to make it look even nicer. And this is great because some girls are using this as a cheese block. And then some people are decorating it, having mice, jump out of it. You really should go see all the other videos of the release videos of the girls, and you'll get to see what else they did with this. Now, we've also got the little pizza paddle. And then we have the little mitt, and the pizza paddle is nice because it's stitched as well. And the little hole here actually pops out. So some of the girls got so creative with this. It's amazing what they've done with the little mitt. Because you're probably like, that's really big or something like that, but it's not. It's perfect. You are going to love playing with this little mitt. Now this piece, you've got your little piece of crust for your pizza. Then you have your little cheese piece or your sauce piece if you don't want cheese on it, whatever you want to do. And then all of these little pieces actually come out individually. So it's so cute when they're all put together, and that's your little pizza toppings. They're super, super cute. I love these dies. The pizza toppings, these cut so well. I was actually able to get these pizza toppings through 2 to 3 pieces of paper. It was amazing, and they still cut. You could still see all the the little marks in the pepperoni and everything. It was pretty awesome. So you've got all your dies here. The dies, if you only want the dies and not the stamps, that would be $29.99 a month subscription. So, but the value on these dies is actually $55. So once these get released outside of the club package, if you want these dies, it's going to be $55 to get all 3 of them. So join the club. The club is a huge, great deal. So with the club, you get the stamps. Okay, you get the stamps. You get the die cuts. If you just want the stamps only, again, it's $19.99 a month. And they're a value of $24.99. Now, if you want no stamps and just the die cuts are $29.99 a month, but it's a value of $55. The value, though, if you want everything, it's going to be $39.99 for all of this, which is a value of it's not $80, but it's $79.99. So it's 50% off. I mean, hello, join the club. You know it's a great value. It's a fantastic value to get all of this for 50% off. And you don't have to wait until it's released to everyone else. You can get it first. That is the awesome part about Club, is you always get everything first. So I'm going to set these aside, and I'm going to show you what I made with everything. Now, I kept telling you about the creativity of what everyone did with the cheese block. Here is what I did with it. I just made a little tiny card because I actually made a card that was similar to this. If you go on my Instagram, you'll get to see it on there. But I made a tiny card like this because we had pizza delivered yesterday. And I gave it to my pizza man, my pizza delivery guy, as a thank you. Because who doesn't want to thank you right now while they're out there risking their lives going door to door praying that nobody has the coronavirus, right? So he enjoyed the card so much, it really warmed my heart that he liked it so much, but he actually stopped halfway down my driveway and took a picture of the inside and the outside, the front part of the card. I don't know if he sent it to anybody, but he took a picture of it. It really made me feel good. So this is perfect. If you like pizza delivered, this is just a little teeny tiny, I think this is not even 4 inches, but it's just a little tiny small card. Cheese block here, and then I used the toppings on the cheese block. And then I also used the pizza. My daughter actually helped me with this because she's the one who actually cut everything out for me for the most part. But she kept saying, you need to cut a piece of the pizza out because he's eating a piece of the pizza. So that's why I kept taking the pieces of the pizza away. And I just put any way you slice it on there with the little chefy holding the dough and the little pizza mouse. It's so cute. So that's one project that I made. The other one, I went ahead and I did Marci, and I drew little pizzas on her dress. And I put her with the pizza mouse. I actually put all the mice on this one because it just was so much fun. And then I took the piece of pizza out again, of course. But this one is a little shaker card. And it just has a whole bunch. This is where Meadow came in handy because she cut all these little extra pieces out so that I could put them in the shaker part. And then I have the pizza paddle on this one as well. So I want to let you guys know something. I don't know if you've ever been to an Italian restaurant or something like that where they've got that pizza paper that looks like this. This paper, it's so fantastic. I actually made it using the Just For You background stamp. Okay, so I used this, and then I used just some red ink. So this is a crimson ink, a color fuse, and I used to get it to feel like, I mean, it actually feels like regular paper. This is the red paper that I stamped, and I stamped it 2 times, and I just stamped it on regular copy paper, but it actually feels and acts like the pizza paper that you would get with your food or something like that at an Italian restaurant, Italian pizzeria. So I wanted to share that with you, that the Just For You background stamp. And then I used the scalloped rectangles to cut them out. And it's so much fun just having this little piece of paper with the Just For You stamp really working out for the card in the way that it looks. So I hope that you will subscribe. Members, don't forget to get your exclusive tutorials on the membership tutorial link, which is right here on this piece of paper when you get your kit in the mail. You're not going to want to miss out on that. Great tutorials, because like I said, people really got creative with this cheese block and with some of the other things, especially the mitt. One of the girls actually made like a little valance with the mitt. You have to check that out. I will put video links down below of my team members so you can check them out, subscribe to their channels, and make sure you go to that tutorial link. I have all my links down below, my colors that I used on everything down below as well, and all the links to all the extra little die cuts like the scallop circle and stuff like that down below. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like my projects that I made for you, and I will see you next month. Bye. Don't forget to go subscribe. Bye now.